Hey, what's going on guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at an inexpensive Nike shoe. This is the Nike Royale 2 Low in the white and game royal colorway. Now these retail for $55, so that puts it in the same price range as a pair of Vans Era shoes. So a super accessible shoe. So let's see what that price point gets you. We're going to be taking a quick look at the upper, insole, and outsole, and lastly we're going to be seeing how these hold up on feet. So let's get into it. Looking at the upper, we have a very simplistic design. We have a foam tongue with the Nike sign on it, and below we have some flat white laces. At the side we have that big bold Nike swoosh that we all know and love. At the rear we have more Nike branding, this time on a colored tab, very similar to the Cortez. Also below that on the outsole we have a Nike swoosh, which is a nice little detail. The leather does leave something to be desired because it doesn't really feel that good, but for $55 it's really hard to complain. Moving down to the outsole, there really isn't much to say. It's pretty much a standard rubber outsole. The tread pattern on it is a herringbone pattern that is kind of curved and is Nike branded as well. The thing that really irked me and just overall disappointed me was the insole. On the heel of the insole it says comfort insole, so I'm just like, alright, cool, you know, I'm taking it out. I'm like, this is gonna be pretty good. And then I remove the insole and it's this recycled looking low density foam, and normally I'd be like whatever, but it says comfort insole. Why would you put comfort insole on a super low density foam? The foam, it just, you squeeze it and you can feel how it's gonna bottom out after like maybe a month. So it's definitely not a good insole at all, definitely nowhere near a comfort insole. It's just your standard basic insole. It really reminds me of the insole that the Sambas had. I reviewed some Samba OGs and those had pretty much the same insole. It was this blue, really low density foam, super easy to compress, and after a while your feet really get fatigued on it. And for the Royales, below the insole it's nothing, it's just the outsole. So there's no additional comfort system underneath it. Underneath the insole, it's just the rubber outsole. So really disappointed in that. I wouldn't have been as disappointed, especially at the price point, if it didn't say comfort insole, but they just had to put comfort insole. So that just really irritated me about the insole. But anyways, let's go see how they feel on feet. On feet, the Royales fit true to size and were really not that comfortable, unsurprisingly. They feel very similar to the OG Sambas that I mentioned before and that I've reviewed, which is again not surprisingly because, like I said, they both have that low density foam insole and there's no real midsole, it's just the outsole underneath that. It's definitely not the type of shoe that you can wear for a really long extended period of time. Your feet will definitely fatigue. I will say though that they do look really good on feet, no question about it. They look very sharp, very kind of elegant, and just, you know, overall nice looking, clean. The shape kind of reminds me of a Stan Smith, and it's got a round toe box. It's not as expensive as a Stan Smith, but it's also not as comfortable. Overall, for $55, I really think this is a really solid shoe from Nike. For that price point, you get a very simple, clean leather shoe. It's not going to be as comfortable as one would hope, but really it's nothing that some heel inserts or even a proper insole can't fix. So at that price point, I definitely would recommend them. They are super affordable and it's pretty high bang for your buck. So that's pretty much going to be it for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys thought. Do you guys think they are solid shoes for $55? As always guys, like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.